Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another install and review for Gorgeous Hair. They sent me a 22-inch premium fiber wig in the shade Natural Black, and the name of this wig is called Graceful Flow. If you guys are interested in seeing the outcome of this style, keep watching.
I got one virtual, got one, and that is the only two, man. How many times have I shown improvement?
I'm so excited to put this on. I don't usually wear bangs because it breaks me out like real bad, but I don't know, I got faith in this one. We're gonna see. Let me stop talking and get it on.
Selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed. They want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay?
Alright, I'm gonna pin these bangs back so that I can spray it down. Got to spray it down. Need it secure.
Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today.
I'm gonna just trim up this lace a little bit first. I had to take it off and then cut it off. So let's get these clips back on. I will say I think the wig is like a perfect fit on my head, and that's been very rare. Now we spray. Okay, moment of truth. My wide tooth comb to help me comb through.
I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, hey.
Oh, they're so long. Oh my god, I didn't think it was gonna be in my face like this.
In the regular season, well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
A little bit of my foundation so it can give scalp.
Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn.
All right, let me get up so y'all can see the full length curls.
All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense on. Think we need to have a sun adventure.
So as you guys can see, it is pretty long, and no matter how many times you comb through it, run your fingers through it, it's always going to revert back to that curl, which I love because once again, this is a synthetic wig, and most synthetic wigs, you know, you turn your head and the entire thing is just a bird's nest. So this is really nice overall. The install was super fast, super easy. If I had to, I'm gonna start timing myself and showing y'all the timer when I finish. I wanna say it took me probably like 15 minutes to put this entire thing on. Maybe not even, maybe 10. I feel like it just looks better when it's fluffed out more.
Baby girl, you know me.
I feel like the wig would look so much better if it had layers. But yeah, you guys let me know in the comment section, down in the comment section, what you guys think of this look. It is completely different than really any other wig that I've tried on or had on my channel. I have not had bangs since high school, so I'm definitely gonna have to play around with the bangs and see where it feels comfortable all in my face. I'm gonna try and do a few different styles with it just to see what I'm working with this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. The details to all of the products that I use along with This actual wig will be left down in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video.